Hey guys, Bill Watson with Brighter Image Lab. I'm the guy that designed your dental veneers. And I'm asking you to do me a favor. Can you send me your after pictures? Because I saw your befores and then I designed it and your veneer was flagged with an asterisk. I put an asterisk on it thinking that I were to take the model and the before features, and I designed some features into your dental veneer that I think will help match your overall profile. If you could, please send me a picture of you smiling or even send me a video. And what I'll do is I'll send you a smile care kit, an ultrasonic cleaner, a block for polishing, and a polishing cloth. Those three things will help you take care of your veneer. And I think you'll like that the value of taking care of it is really keeping it ultra clean. And you need an ultrasonic cleaner to do that. And I want to give that to you free so we can just change it back. I would love to see your pictures. It helps me know that when you trusted me to design you a new veneer, that I was able to do the kind of job that we were wanting to do. And I would just love to see the pictures. Makes me feel like we have closure on the jobs that I have going. Guys, do me a favor, send me your pictures and I'll send you out a care kit that'll help you take care of your veneer. I look forward to seeing how it actually looks. I hope that you'll do it for me. You'll see the links below. Thank you very much.